Hello everyone, how are you all? So, have you ever wanted to create your own games, animations, or stories without writing complicated code? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I will teach you Scratch from very beginning. So, by the end of this lesson, you will understand the Scratch interface and create your very first program. So, let's get started. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shraddha Singh, and this is episode 1 of our Scratch Beginner course. If you are completely new to coding, don't worry. We will learn everything step by step. So, let's begin. So, we can say Scratch because see, we are starting the Scratch today. So, we can say Scratch is free programming platform developed by MIT. It helps beginner learn coding by tracking and dropping colorful blocks instead of typing code. Okay, so using Scratch, we can create games, animations, quizzes, stories, and much more. So the best part is that Scratch is completely free and work in our web browser. Okay, so let me show you how we can open it. You need to simple open your Google. Just type the word Scratch, press enter button. You have to be click on this first link. Even I will provide you this link in the comment box, first comment box section. You will get it. You can simple click on that. You are also able to open. Okay, so over here we can simple click on create button, or or if you want to save your work, okay, whatever project you will create, whatever games animation you will create, if you want to save that project, so you need to log in. Okay, so let me log out first. I will tell you how, like once you will open your Scratch, you will get two buttons, join and sign in. So if you are a first time user, you need to click on join Scratch. Okay, so the very first thing, you need to create your own username. Okay, and that username you need to write in your notebook. Suppose I'm just writing Shraddha 89, and you have to be create one password for you. That password also you need to write in your notebook, because after some time it possible like you will forget that, right? So when you need to just write your username, password and retype that password and press on next button. Next question, it will ask you, what is your country? Where do you live? Suppose I'm from India, so I will select India. If you are from outside of India, you can select it. Then this is like my my birth date. You need to put your month and year. Okay. Then next, I'm female, so I will select female. If you are male, you can select a male. The most important thing, you need to write your email ID. If you have your own email ID, that's good. You can add it. Otherwise, you can add your parent email ID and then just click on create your account so that you are able to create your own username and password. Okay. I already have 4 to 5 username and passwords. I will not going to be create, but you have to be created. Okay. Okay. Once you will create your username and password, you need to click on sign in and click on sign in button so that you are able to save all your works. Okay. After that, the very next thing, how to create a new project. Are you able to see the create button over here? You have to be click on it so that we will try to create a new project. Okay. Now, let me explain you the interface because that's the most important thing. If you will see, the Scratch have a three parts. This is our first part. This one is our second part. You can see there is a cat, that is the third part. Okay. Now, the first part is called as stage area. Now, stage means what? As you can see, the white area where the cat is present, that's your stage area. Whatever your project does will happen here. Okay. Think of it as the screen where your game or animation we will show, which is this one, where cat is present. This is called as sprite area, which is your second part. Whatever blocks we will drag and drop, that we need to drag and drop over here. Okay. Third part, we have a code block, which is this one. So whatever algorithm we wanted to apply, that we will try to add from here. This is our code block. Okay. So did you understood? We have a three parts. One is stage area, one is script area, and the third one is your code block. Okay. So we can say block palette on the left. You will see the block palette, right? This colorful full blocks are grouped into category like motion, looks, as you can see in the screen, like sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variable, and my block. Okay. Then we have our coding area, the middle one, as you can see. Okay. This is where we will drag and connect block to create our program. Okay. At the top, you can see there is a code, there is a costume, there is a sound. Sound is like if you want to add your own music that you can add from here. Okay. Let me tell you two more important thing, which is sprite and backdrop. Okay. Let me delete the cat. If you don't like the cat, you can delete it. Sprite is character of your project. Whatever characters you want in Scratch, we have we can say hundreds of characters. So you can take any one of the character for your project. Suppose I want this monet. Once you will click on that, automatically you will get that here. Now, let's see what is backdrop. It acts as a background. For your project, what background do you want? For example, I want this. It's like a street. Okay. So you can add, as you can see, we added monet, we added our backdrop. Okay. Now, as you can see, there is a flag. What is the meaning of flag? In order to test your game, like you created everything, you wanted to test it. Okay. So we need to click on the green flag to start our project. In order to test our project, we need to click on green flag. There is a red button, that's a stop button. It will going to be stop your project. Okay. I explained you the backdrop, right? So we can say backdrop is the background of our project. We can choose a different backdrops to match our game theme. Okay. Then I explained you about sprite. So we can say sprite is choose a once you will click on choose a sprite button, it will going to be add a new character to your project. And Scratch has hundreds of sprite to choose from. Okay. Now let's create our first Scratch program. Okay. What you need to do, what do we want here? If I will click on flag, I wanted to do something. So always we need to start with events. You need to click on this event. We will drag and drop it. Like when we will click on the flag, I wanted to move. Now see, if I will click on flag, as you can see, monet is moving. If you want to move little bit more, you can go with 100 steps. If you will run, as you can see, you are getting 100 steps. Okay. Oh, wow, great. So very big congratulations. You just wrote your first Scratch program. Every time you click on the green flag, Monet will going to be moved forward. Okay. Got it? So as you can see, today we learn what is Scratch. We learn how to open the Scratch. We learn how to create our account in Scratch. We learn about what is stage area, right? What is script area? What is coding blocks? We learn about our coding area. We learn about green flag and we created our first program. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this beginner lesson. If you found it helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel, which is Code for Kids. So, this is our episode 1. In episode 2, we will learn motion block and we will create our first animation. So, see you in the next video. Happy coding. Bye bye. Take care.